Now our topic is linear equations in one variable. So now the first question before us is find the solution of 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. No, so now we will write 2x is equal to, we will take this to other side. 7, as you know that if the entry is of negative and when it goes to the other side it becomes positive. 2x is equal to 10, x is equal to 10 over 2 is equal to 5. This is the answer before us. Now the next 2y is equal to 4 minus 9. 2y is equal to 4 minus 9. You will do subtraction. Minus 9 plus 4. So it will result into minus 5. So y is equal to, as you know that from here 2 will go to the other side on the lower side. So y is equal to minus 5 point over 2. Now the next question before us is now we have to find the value of x in 7x minus 9 is equal to 7. As done earlier, 7x is equal to 16. From here we will take 9 to the other side, to the right hand side, it will become positive. 7x is equal to 25, x is equal to 25 over 7. This is the answer before you. Now the next question, solve 14y minus 8 is equal to 13. So 14y is equal to 13. We will take this to the other side. 13, it is the negative number, it will become positive when it goes to the other side. 14y is equal to 13 plus 8, 21. Y is equal to 21 over 14. When we divide both the sides by 7, it becomes 3 over 2. So this is the answer before you. Next, find the solution of 17 plus 6p is equal to 9. We may tell you that in the case of linear equation in one variable, this variable may be x, it may be p, it may be t, it may be b, it may be c, it may be any number. So now 6p is equal to 9. From here 17 will go to the other side and it will become negative. 6p is equal to minus 17 plus 9, it becomes minus 8. P is equal to minus 8 over 6 is equal to minus 4 over 3. So this is the answer before you. Next, solve t over 5 is equal to 10. From here 5 will go to the other side but on the upper side. It will be multiplied with 10. It will become t is equal to 50. It is the answer before you. Next, 7th question is find the value of y in 1.6 is equal to y divided by 1.5. We can also write it as y over 1.5 is equal to 1.6. We can also write it as y is equal to 1.6. Now this number will go to the other side on the upper side. It can be written as this. It can be also written as this: 16 over 10 into 15 over 10. Then if we multiply 16 with 15, then it becomes 240. 240 divided by 100. So y is equal to 2.4. This is the answer. Now the next question before us is solve 3 over 17 plus x is equal to 17 over 17. As you have solved the earlier questions, we will keep x on the left hand side and we will take this number to the other side, and because this is the positive number, it will become negative. It can also be written as 17 minus 3 or 14 over 17. 14 over 17. So the answer is before you. Now find the value of x in x over 3 plus 5 over 2 is equal to minus 3 over 2. So we will keep x over 3 on the left hand side and we will take this number to the right hand side. So because it is the positive number, it will become negative when it goes to the other side. So x over 3 is equal to minus 3 minus 5 over 2. It will become minus 8 over 2 is equal to minus, we will divide 8 with 2, it will become minus 4. So now x over 3 is equal to minus 4 and x is equal to minus 4 into 3. So the answer before us is x is equal to minus 12. This is the answer. We have find out the value of x. So now solve x over 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 over 15. So here we will keep x over 3 is equal to 7 over 15. So here this item will go to the other side as negative because it is positive. So now we can also write it as x over 3 is equal to 15, 7 minus 15 is equal to minus 8 over 15. So x over 3 is equal to minus 8 over 15. So we can also write it as x is equal to, we will take this 3 to the this side. Three into minus 8, it becomes minus 24 over 15. So we can also write it as, if we divide it by both the sides by 3, minus 8 over 5. So x is equal to, minus 8 over 5. This is the answer before you. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.